Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're gonna do an emerald look and I'm gonna use one of the Huda Beauty palettes. Without any further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the eyes today. This is the palette that I'm gonna use and this is how it looks inside. Very nice. I swatched the colors. They look very pretty on the hand. We're gonna see how they look on the eyes. I'm gonna start with a small fluffy brush and I'm gonna take this minty green here and I'm gonna go right over the socket. I decided to try to do something like this because Pavel is watching Gotham right now on Netflix and there's Jada Pinkett Smith that I don't know which character she's doing because I'm not watching it, but I came home the other day and he was watching it and I saw her makeup and it looked so beautiful and it was this like emerald green and gold, absolutely stunning. This is the first time I'm wearing makeup in a week because I finished my Halo Kiwi, and which are my supplements for the skin, and my skin went absolutely crazy, so I had a bit of a situation down here on my chin. Using the same brush I'm gonna go into this deeper green. I'm gonna deepen up the crease. I'm gonna go a bit lower than the lighter green. And I'm helping myself with another brush to blend the edges and to blend the two colors together. I think I'm gonna start with this color in the center, this green, and I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna start with the outer corner. Oh, it's very pretty. I'm going from the roots of my lashes, going upwards. I'm gonna stop more or less in the middle. We're gonna cut the crease anyway, so before cutting the crease, I'm gonna go back into this green and I'm going to intensify the crease a little bit more. With a smaller blending brush, I'm going in with this darker green and I'm gonna deepen up the outer corner a bit more. Now I'm going to cut the crease and I'm using the Overachiever Concealer by Huda Beauty. I'm putting a little bit on the back of my hand. You don't need much of this product. It's very full coverage. So I'm going right here. I'm basically going to stop more or less where I stopped with the other green. We're gonna blend the edges. Now it looks way too sharp. This color is very nice, but it's better if you apply it with your fingers. I'm taking the brush that I used before and I blend. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm so happy I'm wearing makeup again. My skin got completely crazy. With your finger and pat it on. And then we're gonna clean the under eye. For foundation today, I'm gonna use the Radiant Lift Long Lasting Radiance by Max Factor. I'm in the color Nude and it's so nice. I'm gonna spray some Pixie Hydrating Milk Spray first. I'm using quite a smaller sponge because I've done my eyes already and I don't want to risk to make a mess and go over the eyeshadow. It's been a bit of a week last week. I had this cold that it's taking me ages to recover from, and my face just decided to come out with all the pimples it didn't come out in the last 30 years. And I really like to work this into the skin. This is very nice. I don't know why, I always pass by the Max Factor counter and I never really look at it. And then this is not a new foundation. I actually heard about it a while ago. It's very nice. As you can see, my skin is still recovering. I have no idea what happened. I'm gonna use again the Overachiever concealer. I'm gonna go in with a brush. I'm not going too close, especially in the outer corner. I'm gonna set my under eye, and for today I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte. This is still my go-to powder. So good. So affordable. I think it's like £4. 3-4 pounds. And it does keep you matte for a very long time. I'm gonna start setting the T-zone because my skin is still a bit on the dry side. I'm gonna start defining my under eye, and then I'm gonna go back with the darker green that I used earlier. I'm gonna use a teeny tiny brush and I'm gonna focus on the outer corner. With another teeny tiny brush, I'm taking this gold right here, and that is gonna go in the inner corner. Now I'm finally doing my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Pomade, and it's in the color dark brown. I elongated my eyebrow a little bit because this look is going quite outwards. I balanced the front as well because obviously they're completely different. I know eyebrows are not twins, but mine are not even related. I'm gonna do eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so eyelashes, mascara and eyeliner, they're all on. So now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna start with bronzer, and I'm using the Bahama Mama by The Balm today. I haven't used this one in ages. This was my favorite bronzer. Then we go with blush. For blush today, I'm using the Bourjois blush in Lala Store, or Golden Lilac, number 33. It's a very pretty color. And as a highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. I love this highlighter, so pretty. I'm taking a bit of a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go under the arch. Then I put a touch of highlighter on the Cupid's bow. Huda Beauty came out with new lipstick, so it's all like nude colors. So I got this one, is in the color Interview. It's a pretty natural nude. Now I'll give the last set to the face. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. I did have fun doing this very green emerald look for you. It took me a minute, but I do like playing with makeup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I upload a new video once a week. Go and follow me on Instagram. My account is vale.nina87. And have an amazing day wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye!